In Weston, architectural charm is part of what makes every neighborhood special. From timeless colonials and graceful Victorians to modern custom builds, homes here reflect a blend of tradition and sophistication. One of the most effective ways to enhance that character, while improving comfort and energy efficiency, is through modern window design. Today's windows do much more than brighten a space. They combine craftsmanship, style, and technology to elevate your home's beauty from the inside out. Whether you're updating a classic residence or refining a new build, modern windows can transform how your home looks and feels. Blending classic design with modern function, Weston's homes often carry a sense of timelessness, with architectural details that deserve to be preserved. The goal for many homeowners is to modernize without losing that charm. Modern window styles make this balance easy to achieve. For instance, double-hung windows maintain the classic symmetry of older homes but now come with slimmer frames and superior energy performance. Casement windows offer a clean, contemporary look that suits both modern and transitional homes. Picture windows highlight exterior symmetry while providing unobstructed views and a touch of modern elegance. By blending traditional design with advanced materials, homeowners can enjoy the best of both worlds. A home that honors its history while embracing today's performance standards. Expansive glass that opens up your home. One of the biggest modern design shifts is the use of larger glass panels that flood interiors with natural light. Floor-to-ceiling picture windows, wide sliders, and bay or bow windows create bright, open spaces that feel welcoming and luxurious. For Weston homes surrounded by greenery, gardens, and scenic landscapes, these window styles are a perfect fit. They enhance natural light, create a stronger indoor-outdoor connection, and give your home a more open, airy atmosphere. Thanks to advances in glass technology, like low-E coatings and insulated panes, you can enjoy these larger windows without worrying about glare, fading, or heat transfer. Frame finishes that elevate curb appeal. The color and style of your window frames can dramatically influence your home's appearance. In Weston, where architectural diversity is celebrated, homeowners are choosing frame finishes that highlight their home's personality. White or cream frames for a classic, timeless exterior. Matte black or bronze frames for a sleek, contemporary statement. Wood-clad or composite frames for a warm, natural look that resists weathering. Modern frame materials such as fiberglass and aluminum-clad wood are not only stylish but also durable, requiring less maintenance while maintaining their beauty year after year. Custom shapes that add architectural interest. Custom window shapes can turn a beautiful home into a standout design. Arched, circular, and trapezoid windows are increasingly popular in Weston for adding unique character to traditional or contemporary facades. Arched windows soften the lines of classic homes. Angular or geometric windows create bold statements in modern builds. Custom transoms above entryways or picture windows add elegance and dimension. These design details enhance curb appeal and allow you to showcase your home's individuality. Energy efficiency meets modern living. Modern windows are designed with efficiency and comfort in mind, ensuring that Weston homeowners stay comfortable year-round. High-performance features like double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and tight weather seals help maintain consistent indoor temperatures while reducing energy costs. Energy-efficient windows don't just save money, they also reduce noise, minimize drafts, and prevent UV damage to floors and furniture. It's a modern improvement that enhances everyday living. Expert installation for lasting results. Even the most elegant window design needs professional installation to perform its best. Local experts in Weston understand how to fit and seal windows properly, ensuring long-lasting results that resist leaks, drafts, and wear. With the right installation, your new windows won't just look amazing, they'll maintain their efficiency and durability for decades to come. Final thoughts. In Weston, modern window design is about more than style. It's about preserving the community's architectural character while adding light, comfort, and efficiency to your home. From sleek black frames to expansive glass and custom shapes, Today's window options make it easy to enhance curb appeal and create a more enjoyable living environment. Whether you're refreshing a historic property or completing a contemporary renovation, modern windows can redefine the beauty and performance of your Weston home.